Bunny loves watching me get ready. He just sits and just observes me. Hello everyone and welcome back to my beauty space. It's Lara. Today's video I'm going to show you guys my little everyday no makeup look. So it's basically makeup whenever I want to look pretty but I don't want to pile on a ton of makeup and stuff on my skin. I don't want to look cakey, I don't want to look heavy, and I really do not want it to look like I'm wearing makeup. This look is just a few steps and honestly it's like really effortless, super everyday, super simple, and very, very minimal. This is the look that I'll go to if I literally need to just leave the house but I feel like my skin doesn't look the best. So this is the look that I will mainly run to, just super fast and easy. As you guys can see, I'm like literally having like the worst hair day right now. But anyways, without any further ado, let's get on into this everyday no makeup look. So the first thing that I'll do is I will put on just, you know, a little bit of foundation. If I'm running out the door, the two foundations that I will mainly look at first and the two foundations that I know that I'm going to choose between are the La Mer Soft Fluid Foundation and the Oxygenetics Oxygenating Foundation. I love both of these for very, very similar reasons. The Oxygenetics Foundation is super, super great for the skin. It's very breathable. It has, oh my god, Bunny is like playing in my laundry basket right now. This foundation is super breathable, super lightweight, has aloe vera inside of it. It uses oxygen to get delivered to your compromised skin cells, and over time it actually helps your skin look and feel a lot better, and it really does hide any imperfections that you have, and it does minimize your blemishes. It just has super great coverage as well and really nice skincare benefits. And on other days I will choose my La Mer Soft Fluid Longwear Foundation. Now this foundation does have SPF 20, SPF 20, and I really like this because it is such a light coverage, minimal, effortless makeup foundation product that I really like. A little bit goes a little way, I guess. Like, I'm not gonna say a little bit goes a long way because this foundation does not give me full coverage, whereas this foundation a little bit does give me full coverage. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my La Mer foundation, and most of the time my skin already has my skincare products that I did from my morning routine. So what I do is I'm just going to shake up. And again, if I'm in a rush to leave the house, I will just go like this, put like one little pump and back, and I wet my beauty sponge. So what I do, since I have a little bit on my hand, I will literally just mix up the foundation on the back of my hand, and then I will take whatever's left on my fingers and I will literally just put this everywhere that I want to look really pretty. And I mainly concentrate it on the cheeks and my chin. I mainly concentrate this foundation on my cheeks and my chin and my nose area, just because I find that my forehead really does not need a lot of coverage. So what I do, I still have a lot of foundation left, I'll just go in and blend. This foundation really does not need a primer underneath, and it just already looks good with all the skincare products that I already put on a couple of hours ago. So yeah, I literally didn't even need to go in on my forehead, but if I do, I just keep it like on the center of my forehead, because out here I naturally have a darker surface area, just because that's where you naturally get hit from the sun. And then I take whatever's left and I will literally just go like concentrate it underneath of my eyes. Excuse me if I sound like super nasally. I feel like my allergies are just not in it to win it. I feel like my allergies have been so bad for the last 2 days or so. I've been like sniffling so freaking much. I hate sniffling, and I hate whenever my eyes water, and I hate whenever my nose gets a little stuffy, and I hate whenever I can't say and it sounds like I'm saying buh. Like, oh, does anybody relate right now? So my key for no makeup look is do not put anything on your upper eyes. I never ever put products on my upper eyes, just because that really gives away the fact that you're wearing makeup. And if you don't put anything up here, it looks like you have a natural shadow, whether you have veiny eyelids, which I don't, thank God, but I do definitely have a little bit of veinage popping through and a little bit of pigmentation and some darker colors up here. So I leave that naturally, and I find that it's just the prettiest eyeshadow to wear no eyeshadow. So I'm done with this La Mer foundation. So I'm not gonna go in with any concealer, because concealer will just take way too much time. I will go in with my Rare Beauty liquid blush, and I literally will take like the tippy top part, as you guys can see, just go boop and boop. And once I do my boop, I just blend it in on the same side that I blended with my foundation, and I just literally go this fast. Yep, this is literally how fast I go. Like, whenever I am doing my liquid blush, like sometimes in my tutorials I kind of just like slow it down and I take my time for the sake of the video, but that's how fast And look, it looks like my skin naturally has so much life and flush with color. I love the look that specifically Rare Beauty has because it lasts such a long time and it looks so freaking natural and it blends out like a dream. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is usually where I end with my no makeup look, but if I am doing a no makeup look and I want to look just a little bit flawless, I want to look a little bit more put together, I will throw on a lip color. Lately, my favorite has been the KKW Beauty pink lipstick in the shade pink number 4. I do not go in with a ton of this lipstick just because it is so freaking pigmented. This is the most pigmented, most long-lasting, most staining lipstick I've ever tried. So Kim Kardashian, you guys have excellent cream lipsticks and I love this since it is long-lasting and it is more of a stain as well as a lipstick and it's super high coverage. I just take, did I get it on my teeth? Ew. Yeah, this is real life, you guys. So yeah, as I said, I'm gonna take a little just like that and see how it looks super uneven and it doesn't look really cute. What I do is I take my ring finger with nothing on it and I just go like this, or I'll go like this, just kind of blending out the color so it looks more natural. You guys know what I'm saying. And there, it gave me just like a really nice stain on my lips. It kind of looks like this is my natural lip color. You really wouldn't be able to tell that I'm wearing lipstick because if you did go up close to my face, you really can't tell that I'm wearing lipstick because there's no insane coverage. It just looks like a stain. So there you have it, you guys. This is my everyday no makeup look. This is literally like one of my favorite looks. I feel like I'm so obsessed with doing minimal makeup and minimal makeup looks. Again, even though most of my videos here are about makeup, I really focus more on my skincare than I do with my makeup because I find that if your skin does not look the best and it's not being taken care of properly, then you really will suffer the consequences whenever you go and you put on your makeup because you're gonna find a bunch of texture, a bunch of dots and dark spots and just uneven skin tone that you have to work double time to cover up with makeup. So I really focus most of my energy on my skincare, which is why I'm able to get away with effortless minimal makeup like so. My bunny boy, I've mentioned him so many times on my channel. Look at how I carry him, you guys. I legit carry him like he's an actual baby, but he loves it. He's just so sweet. Bunny loves watching me get ready. He just sits and just observes me. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's makeup video. That's it for today's video, for lack of a better word, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys go subscribe, like, and leave me a comment down below of what are your favorite makeup everyday minimal products that you just have to leave the house with on your face. So honestly, you guys, I really enjoyed filming today's video. Excuse my dogs if you can hear them in the background, they're so annoying. All right, you guys, I don't have anything left to say, so without any further ado, I will see you guys super soon. Oh my, I can't even film my outro because my dogs are just loud. Okay, I'm just gonna use that as my outro. I love you guys. I'll see you super soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.